In this video, we'll explore the Easy Reflections app in Canva. With an image open and highlighted in my Canva workspace, I'm going to click Edit, then Magic Grab to isolate the vehicle in this video. I want to make the vehicle smaller, moving it further back in the image to create space for the reflection. Next, navigate to the left-hand toolbar and scroll down to the Apps icon near the bottom of the screen. Click on it, then type Easy Reflections in the search bar. The app is represented by a sneaker icon. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. When the drop-down menu opens, you'll see a prompt asking you to select an element in your design. Click on the image you want to reflect, then hit the purple button to apply the effect. A reflection will appear in the image box, and below it, you'll find 4 placement options: below, above, left, and right. The gradient effect will change depending on which direction you choose. The farther the reflection is from your subject, the more pronounced the gradient effect will be. For example, if you place the reflection to the right of your subject, it will be darkest near the image and gradually fade out toward the right side. The offset slider controls the gradient. Moving the slider from 1 to 100 adjusts how the gradient moves across the image. The opacity slider determines the strength of the reflection. At 1, there is no image at all, while at 100, you'll get a full mirror image. If you set the opacity to 100 and adjust the offset slider, you'll get a better visual of how the gradient effect changes. Once you're satisfied with the look of your reflection, click Add to Design to place it in your workspace. From there, you can resize and position it as needed. Add any other design elements to complete your composition, then click on the Share button to share your image. There are also other ways to create reflections in Canva without using the Easy Reflections app. Simply select your image and click on the plus sign in the toolbar to duplicate it. Highlight the new image and then click Flip in the toolbar and choose Flip Vertical to position the duplicate below the original. This method creates a mirror reflection. Experiment until you achieve the look you want. And that's it. If you found this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.